Discover this ideal temporary housing solution in Jacksonville. This updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath townhome offers everything needed for comfortable displacement housing. Located minutes from downtown, it features a dedicated workspace, full kitchen, and essential amenities for seamless temporary living. Perfect for ALE claims, this pet-friendly property welcomes families and their furry friends. Enjoy self-check-in convenience, central AC, and a private fenced yard. The flexible layout includes 2 queen beds, a single bed, and a sofa bed, accommodating various family sizes. With its prime location near San Marco and major highways, maintaining normal routines is effortless. Contact us today to secure this insurance-friendly property for your clients or family.